Welcome back, dear children. Today we will be solving exercise 1.4 of chapter 1, Numbers and Numeration, from Learning Maths, grade 5. So, question 1 is write the place value of the circle digits. And we can see over here in number A 3,56,740, out of which the 6, which is in the 1000s place, is circled. That means if we want to write the place value of 6, we will simply write 6, okay, and the values which are on the right side of 6 will be 0. So in the hundreds place, in place of 7, we will write 0. In the tens place, instead of 4, we will write 0. And the ones place, which is already 0, will also again be written as 0. And the numbers which are ahead of it, we need not write, because we have to write only the place value of 6, which is in the thousands place. So here the the place value of 6 in the thousands place is 6,000. Coming to number B, this is 63,62,426. The 6, which is in the 10,000s place, is rounded. So when we have to write the place value, we will ignore the digits which are before it. Okay? So we will write 6, which is in the 10,000s place, followed by the 1000s place, which should be 0, and hundreds place 0, 0 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones place. So it comes as 60,000, 6 10,000s or 60,000 6 place value. Number C, we have to find the place value of 0, which is in the tens place. Okay, so 0 in any of the places, be it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, or 100,000s, whatever, 0 will always have the value of 0. So just write a single value, single 0 for the place value. Do not write double zeros or triple zeros. That does not make sense, because a single 0 means the same as 2 zeros or 3 zeros. Okay. Coming to number D, we have 773,681,640. And 6, which is in the 100,000s place, is rounded. So we will just ignore the digits which are before it, that is in the period which is above this thousands period. We will ignore it. We will start taking the value from the one that is rounded, that is 6. Okay, 6 in the hundreds thousands place, so it can be written as 600,000s, or simply as 6, then a 0 in the 10,000s place, a 0 in the 1,000s place, a 0 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones place. The next number is 53 crore 58 lakh 34,960. So 5 in the 10 crores place can be written as 5, 0 in the 1 crores place, 0 in the 10 lakhs place, 0 in the 1 lakhs place, 0 in the 10,000s place, 0 in the 1,000s place, 0 in hundreds, tens, and ones place. Okay. Next we have number F, in which we have written, we've got this number as 9,859,625. So 6 in the hundreds place is rounded. That means we have to write the place value of 6. So this is in the hundreds place, it's simply as simple as 600. So we ignore whatever numbers are before this. So from the 6 onwards, the two places after the 6 are that of tens place and the ones place, which will be if you write as 0 and 0. Okay. Next question is number G, which is 34 crore 50 lakh 75,073. And we have to find the place value of 3, which is in the ones place. So it is 3 ones or simply 3. Like F was 600s or simply 600. So this is 3 ones or simply 3. H. In H we have 60,034,000. Nothing is there in the 100,000s place. So mind, this is an international system of numeration. Then we have 484. and we have to say the place value of the 3 which is marked with a circle. That means 3 here, before that whatever is this is to be ignored. We start the place value from here, 3 in the 10,000 place. So which is followed by 0 in the 1000 place, 0 in 100 place, 0 in 10 place, 0 in 1 place. So we come out with 30,000 as the place value of 3 in this number. Okay. Next is question number 2, which says circle the appropriate digits in the numbers for the given place value. So the place value will be given over here. We have to just circle the number. We have to circle 70,000 in this number. So let's see which is at 70. That means 10,000 place. So let's, another simple way of doing it is count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth number is to be circled from the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth number is circled. Actually, this is 70,000. That is 10,000 space that we are encircling. Next, we have 500,000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth number is to be circled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth number is encircled. Now, what is the place value? 500,000. Okay, 500,000. This is a place. Next is number C, which is 60 crore. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the number. So this number is to be encircled. Okay. In the 610 crore space. Next we have the place value of 80 million. This is international system. 3 units in each period. So 80 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and the digit. So 1 from the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits and the digit and the number 8. So it is 80 million place value that it is bearing. Next we will do 80 lakh in this number, that is 48 crore 82 lakh 80,841, in which we have to mark the 80,000 space. So 80 lakh space. So 80 lakh is like this. 80 lakh can be written like this. So how many zeros does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the digit to be circled. 1 crore we have to do in this number. Okay, which is itself 11 crore 10 lakh 10,101. So 1 crore is like this, can be written like this. How many zeros does it bear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the digit. This is the place of 1 crore here. Number G, 50 crore in this 58 crore 50 lakh 40,032. So what do? We first write how do we write 50 crore? 50 0 0 10 lakh 1 lakh 0 0 10,000 1,000 and 100 tens 1 0 0 0. So now let's count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros and the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the digit to be circled. Okay. So 5 in the 10 crore space. Next we have 7 million in this particular 47,707,174. And now 7 billion, how do we write 7 billion? 1 tens 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and the million space. So 6 zeros and the digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and the digit. Okay. Next we have number I, in which it is written 50 million is to be encircled. Okay. Let's see how do we write 50 million. 50 million, then 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100 tens 1. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and the digit. So let us mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and the digit. So we mark this as the 50 million space. Okay, 510 millions. Next we have 200 million, in which we have to mark the 200 million space in 243 million. Okay, so 200 million means this is the figure that we get when we do 200 millions, and we get 6, 7, 8 zeros and then the digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and the digit. That is 2 in the 100 million space. So we encircle it like this. Okay. Question number 3 says, write the expanded form of the following numbers. So the number is like this. We can put commas in the Indian system, like ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, and 1 lakh space. So we have 4 lakh. If you want to expand it, we have to break it up into the different place values. So it is 4 lakh plus 90,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. So what do? If we write 4, then let us see the rest of the digits will be converted to 0. So 4 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Plus 9, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we have written 4 zeros here. Then 2, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 3 zeros here. 6 followed by 2 zeros, that is the tens and the ones. 5, 0 for 5 tens and the 2 ones. Okay. For the next one, also if you want to write the place value of 6, then write 6 and write 0 for all the places after this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros will come after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are come. Now after that is 5. So 5 will be followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we have given 5 zeros. Next is 0. We need not write, because in any number of zeros we write, it means 0 only. And no need of mentioning also if it is 0. We come to 3. 3 will be followed by 3 zeros because it's occupying the 1000 space. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. 9 is occupying the 100 space, so 900 plus 1 in the 10 space, so 10 plus 2. In the similar way, we will now do number C. What we will do for number C is that we will do is we first write 2 and followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay. So the 2 according to Indian system of numeration is occupying the 10 lakh space. Followed by 3. 3 के बाद कितने zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros लिख लीजिए. 0 0 का कोई वैल्यू हम लिखेंगे नहीं. ठीक है. तो हम आ जाते हैं 4 पे. 4 will be having 2 zeros after it, so 400 is the place value of 4 here. 8 has got 8 tens, 80, and 5 is in the 1 space. Next, this one again, let us see. Though it is 50 lakh, 5 10 lakhs, so we can write 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros after that. This 0 need not be written. So next we come to 7. 7 will be followed by 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, plus 2 in the thousands place, so 3 zeros. 1 in the hundreds place, so 1 0 0. Nothing in the tens place, so we don't mention it. 9 in the ones place. Okay. Coming to number E, similar way we will do it. We will write, this is actually 75 lakh 60,820. So 7 is in the 10 lakh space. So you write 7 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros after that. We write 5 and 5 zeros after that. We write 6 and 4 zeros after that. There is nothing in the thousands place, so we don't mention it. Then we have 8 in the hundreds place. Okay, so 800 and 2 in the tens place, so 20, and we do not mention the ones place because it is 0. Now coming to question number 4, what we have to do is we have to write the short form of the following numbers. The place values are given. You will have to just add them up or arrange them according to the places and write them down. So if we see this 5 is in the ones place, 50 means 5 in the tens place, 500 means 5 in the hundreds place, 4,000 means 4 in the thousands place, 70,000 means 7 in the 10,000s place, 4 lakh means 4 in 1 lakh space, and 30 lakh means 3 in 10 lakh space. So the number comes as 3, 4, 7, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Same for the next number. We have got 0 in the ones place, so 0. 1 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 4 in the 10,000s place, so 10,000 में 4 है, 5 in the lakhs place, 7 in the 10 lakhs place, and 4 in the crores place. Okay, so the number comes as 475,432. The next number also has to be written like this. If we write 0 th 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 10 crore, then it's easier for us to jot it down. 8 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place. Now there is nothing in the hundreds place. Note. So 0 in the hundreds place. 8 in the thousands place, 8 in the 10,000s place, 8 in the lakhs place, and 8 in the 10 lakhs place. So 88888088 is the number. Next, if we arrange the place values according to the position, so we will see 9 is in the ones place. There is nothing in the tens and hundreds place, no mention. So 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 9 in the thousands place, okay. 4 in the 10,000s place, 1 in the lakhs place, 2 in the 10 lakhs place, and 6 in the crores place. This you can put the comma also to find out which place it is belonging to. You will get 1000, lakh, and crore. So 6 is belonging to the crores place. So that is a way we have written it down. So the number comes as 62149009. Okay. Coming to question number 5. Find the sum of the place values of the circle digits in each of the following numbers. तो जो सर्कल डिजिट्स है उसके प्लेस वैल्यू पहले आपको निकालने हैं एंड फिर उसके एडिशन करना है. जैसे कि पहले मैं सबसे बड़ा वाला लूँगी. सो 7 इज ऑक्यूपाइंग द 10,000 प्लेस, इट इज 70,000. 4 is in the hundreds place, so it is 400. Now when you add it, we get 70,400. Okay. To the next question, number B. इसमें क्या है? There are 3 places that we have to add. First is in ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So in the 10 lakhs place is 7 10 lakhs, that is 70 lakh. Next we have 6 10,000, so 60,000, plus 8 in the tens place, so 80. So arrange them accordingly and add them up. So you will get 70 lakh 60,080 as your answer. Come to number C. We have to add 0, which is in the 10 lakhs place, and 3, which is in the thousands place. So 10 lakhs place में 0 एक हो या 1000 हो, it doesn't make a difference. So we just write a single 0 and add it with 3,000, and we get 3,000 as the answer. Number D. 7 in the 100,000s place, 700,000, and 0 in the 10,000s place, so 0. तो दोनों को add करोगे तो you will get 700,000 only as answer. Coming to number E, we've got here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. So in the 10 millions place we have 5. So 50 million to be added to 600,000. So when we add, we get 50,600,000 as the answer. Okay. We've got one more addition over here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. So 9 in the 10 million, so 90 million to be added to 4 in the 100,000 space, so 400,000. When we add, we get 90,400,000 as the answer. So now that the addition is over, now we will do the similar activity or exercise which is based on finding the difference, that is subtraction. So in question number 6, we will find the difference of the place values of the circle digits in each of the following numbers. जो सर्कल किया है उसके प्लेस वैल्यूज निकालेंगे और उसको डिफरेंस यानी कि माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. ठीक है. सो नंबर ए, 4 in the 1 lakhs place, so 4 lakh, minus this 8 in the thousands place means 8,000. आप माइनस करोगे after borrowing and all, you will get 3,92,000 as the answer. Okay. Coming to number C, इसमें क्या है? इसमें है 44 crore 85 lakh 33,085. We have to find the 10 crore 40 crore and minus 4 crores place from it. So 40 crore minus 4 crore. When you minus all zeros in all these places, and this has to be converted into 10 by borrowing. So 10 minus 4 is 6, and this becomes 3. So 36 crore is your answer. Next, number D, in which we have 7 in the millions place, so 7 million minus 8 in the thousands place, so 8,000. So when we minus, we will get, after borrowing and cutting, we will get 6,992,000 as the answer. Coming to number E, here also we've got the international value system followed. So the 7 is in the millions place and 0 is in the 1000's place. So if we minus, when we minus 0 from any number, the number answer is the number itself. So we get 7 million as the answer. Okay, next number F. We have to always remember when we are subtracting, put the bigger value at the top and minus it from the smaller value. So bigger value जितना इस तरफ होगा उतना bigger होगा. So we will take the first 9 which is in the 100 millions place, 900 million, and minus 9 million, 91 millions, that is 9 million from it. When we minus after borrowing and all, we get 891 million as the answer. Well, that is all for today. So I hope you understood the sums properly, and please keep watching and subscribing and sharing and liking the sums that we do here. So bye bye for now. See you again next week.